not procrastinating. Nope, I don't do that. 'Tis the season. What a gentleman. Happy, huh? You don't like baths. Look at that cute little baby. Oh my goodness. You want nice and clean? What about you? You know how to clean yourself? Do you know how to clean yourself? You gotta clean yourself. Preen. Do you know how to preen? Not really? You're angry, huh? You don't like baths? Oh my goodness. Making Alfredo. that much cheese, about that much thickness, and now it's off while the water boils. There she is, all done. Well, I said to put a piece of chicken on top.
No, I'm just saying to put the sauce just on
You
chicken.
had it like that before. Silly greasy.
What do you mean?
I left it in the refrigerator and you had it with chicken.
I never did.
Oh, so you lied to me. Well done.
Or did I?
You did.
You want some?
Yes. I already ate mine. Ate from mine.